faz sentido isso aqui. Tem que tomar.
I know you're waiting around this to lead to you. In my Panamera, hola, hola, hola. I'm levitating, I feel ecstasy with you. Whisper na kupenda, between you put for this here chale. Got my heart and my soul alive, and I wanna go crazy with you. From the line and the sun come up, let's do it out for love. Cause once you fool any cockroach, I never want to lose this. To you I belong, this must be love. It to me wow, scatter my eternal, craving on sala. You killing me kitana, Jack on me wow.
Thank you, babe.
God bless me, Ngazi. No deserve this kind of loving. The loving way you show me. Private lounging party with expensive room service. Boy, you make me do like this. Boy, I got you, no worries, no worries. It do me wow, scatter my eternal, craving on sala. You killing me, kitana. Jack me wow, attention in the la. You did do me wow. When I call you Ngazi, God bless me Ngazi. Oh, when I call you Ngazi, God bless me Ngazi. Oh.
They said that sun and not shine for fall, but in some people it never shine at all. These roads of flames are catching on fire. Showed you I loved you, you caught me a liar. No, 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 no. Oh baby, tell me where you gone. I've been feeding for your love so long. We can praise joy in the moonlight. Baby, if you with me, better do right. And I've been gone too long. And I'm hoping that you sing my songs. I've been on this road for way too long. I've been hoping that we all get along. These roads of flames are catching on fire. Showed you I loved you, you caught me a liar. Give God the thanks and praises. I've been on my own all along. Being never left alone, no. And if I'm telling you the feeling here is wrong, relax a little friend, this won't take too long. And when you feel it,
Oh!
Them go feel it, them go run it up, them go hold it, them go feel it up, them go run it up, them go hold it, them go put my track on replay, put it up for me cause I've been coming from way back.
I'm a supplier of good vibes. And also people have really been getting cold here, so I'm the supplier of warmth. She's wearing my scarf now. Someone else has taken my sweater. I mean, I'm their stylist on this trip. That's what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying?
Then go run it down, then go hold it down, then go fill it up, then go run it down, then go hold it down, then go them go run it down, them go hold it down, them go all over the world, them go feel it, them go hold me down, them go hold me down, them go everywhere, they go feel it, them go hold me down, them go hold me down, them go yeah. Them go feel it, them go run it down, them go hold me down, them go, them go, them go, them go,
Holy Father, screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings, I be harder. Father's got enough Eden, my Holy Father, my Holy Father, Holy Father, Holy Father, screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings, I be harder. Father's got enough Eden, my Holy Father, my Holy Father. On my back, oh, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, oh. I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my map, oh, till I run out of that door. Yeah. On my map, oh, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, oh. I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my heart, though, till I run out of that door. On my map, oh, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running back for you. Give me your map, oh. I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my heart, though, till I run out of that door. Holy Father, screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me, my feelings, I be out.
I'm trying to put things together. I had to send few of the things at home. I'm going to kind of like arrange few of the things here. Look at this. I got this from, it's a gift from Ubume Hotel. Truly love this. Such a cute bottle. So yeah, I think that's it. Hi lovelies. So we just came back to the hotel. We are coming back from the Dave Chapelle's show. It's almost 1 a.m. and it was fun. He's such a funny guy, so it was fun. And right now I'm going to kind of like take a shower and pack because we are leaving very early in the morning. We are flying to Rusizi, where we will spend a night tomorrow and maybe come back on Saturday or Sunday. I don't know. I feel like I lost track of time. But yeah, I'm extremely tired. So I'm going to try to use the few hours that I have to like sleep and rest. Yeah. Also, I feel like I've not been talking to you guys a lot. But as I said before, I'm still adjusting to this vlogging thing because I prefer capturing things than just being in front of a camera and talking. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know if you guys had much expectations from me, but yeah, I don't have it for myself. So yeah, we'll keep doing what we have to do and we'll get there eventually. So yeah, I am going to take a shower and sleep. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I don't know, maybe not. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, but I'm waking up very early, so I don't think I'll be able to do that. But maybe when I get to the hotel where we're going, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So bye, thank you, love ya.
On my map, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my map, till I run out of battle. On my map, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my heart, till I run out of battle. On my map, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my heart, till I run out of battle. Only Father, screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me, my feelings are beyond that. Father's captain of Eden, my holy Father, my holy Father, only Father, only Father, screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me, my feelings are beyond that. Father's captain of Eden.
Good morning, lovelies. So this is day 8. I just finished getting ready. We are flying to Rusizi in just 2 hours. 2 hours, yeah. We're flying at 7. And I think from Kigali to Rusizi it takes like 30 to 40 minutes. I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know. So yeah, when we get there, we have a list of like things that we'll do, including the Canopy walk, which I am so excited about. That is something that I always wanted to do, but I haven't done it. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And then I think I will sleep in the afternoon regardless. I think I'll have time, I'll find time to kind of like sleep. I look okay. I don't look sleepy, and I only slept for like 2 hours or less. So I feel like my body is like getting used to sleeping less hours, which is bad, and I don't want it to get used to that. So yeah, I think I'll find time to rest and all that. So yeah, guys, yeah, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me. I just wanted to have like a quick chat with you, especially because I don't be doing it during the day when I'm vlogging. So yeah, yeah, so come with me, let's go have some fun. Love ya. Let me show you what I'm wearing today. A cargo pant, a travel with sea t-shirt, a side bag, and that.
Sure you go call my line, but you don't waste my time. But with me, I no lie. Sure you go call my line, and I see darkness all around you, but they know I'm the light. Electricity, vibes on the frequency, yeah, till infinity. Steady on a different beat. Life is not that deep. It's all about the energy, yeah. Now mentality, and I'm making my way. Nobody could go sign. And you know everything I do is nobody else concern. So you go come online, and I see darkness all around you, but I know I'm the light. Oh, but I know I'm the light. But I know I'm the light. She go come online, but it don't waste my time. But it ain't no lie.
You're waiting for me.
She go come alive, and I see darkness all around you, but I know I'm the light. Oh.
Hi. Good morning.
Passion juice.
Thank you.
Lonely at the top. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Money on my mind. Money, money, money. Don't care what they yarning about me in particular. Try on the road chasing my dream because I know. Chasing for me. Wanna love like the man for my love. But I got to reach on my love. Everyone see like Jack on my love. No, they find anybody, no money I want. No, they hear what the people they talk. Once again, I shall get it till love. That's a life from no one, no get another one. I go take, I'm to wait till I love.
What?
You're in the camera.
Oh.
He's like, what? Oh my God.
You're doing fit check?
Yeah. No accessories on. I left them.
They're all coming out of nowhere.
You can get the trumpet, you know, flute. Yeah. You can make the traditional flute in this kind of plant. Yeah, because once it dies, have the
Interesting. Influencers in the world.
We are here.
Period.
We are here.
Body on your knees. It's definitely harder on your knees.
And then once he's done with everybody, we all come back together and take a group. The long you are going this way and back.
So cute.
But I didn't fall.
Oh yeah.
Are you proud?
Because you keep on falling.
You're insane.
In the grass and on the rocks.
In the car.
You know what that plant is called? This one?
It's called what?
It's called Iki Shingi Shingi. And it's the name of this trail. It's called Iki Shingi Shingi. You know? Why are you laughing?
It's not Ingishingi Shingi.
What is it?
Igishigi Shigi.
Iki Shingi Shingi. It's same difference.
I know you're waiting around this to lead to you. In my Panamera, hola, hola, hola. I'm levitating, I feel ecstasy with you. Whisper na kupenda, wait till you put for this here to love. Got my heart and my soul alive, and I wanna go crazy with you. From the line and the sun come up, let's do it out for love. Cause once you fool any cockroach, I never want to lose this. To you I belong, this must be love. It to me wow, scatter my eternal, craving on sala. You killing me kitana. Jack on me, wow, hypertension in the lala, craving on salad. God bless me, Ngazi. No deserve this kind of loving. The loving way you show me. Private lounging party with expensive room service. Boy, you make me do like this. Boy, I got you, no worries, no worries. It do me wow, scatter my eternal, craving on sala. You killing me, kitana. Jacari me wow. God bless me, Ngazi. When I call you Ngazi, God bless me, Ngazi.